Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and one of the interesting mixes and one of those things that Microsoft is really good at is making sure that what is already complicated gets even worse. So we, of course, talked about the famous Windows security problem where a lot of you have seen that in the device security and the core isolation. There was the local security authority thing that said that even though it was on, it just wasn't working well. For some of you, it was off, and you had to go and tweak the registry. And I have a video, which is, by the way, one of the most popular videos on my channel right now because it seems everybody's going nuts on that problem. Now, to make things worse, it seems that some have an update for their Windows Security app, and that gone is local security authority protection, but there's a new thing that replaces it, but that doesn't seem to do anything or work well, and it's called kernel mode hardware enforced stack protection. And it depends apparently on maybe the hardware that you're using. So not everybody's going to have it because it depends really on your processor and the hardware. But at the same time, it's breaking things, and it's actually breaking games. So some people that are playing Valorant, Blood Hunt, Destiny 2, Genshin Impact, Phantasy Star Online 2, and Days, apparently, they get a driver cannot load on this device because it's incompatible with the Windows security mitigation and blah, blah, blah. You end up having to disable all of the stuff in here to have the games working. And basically, what the hell, Microsoft, are you doing? You know, it's one of those things, especially with the security app. How many times did I say when a security app has way too many different categories and features, it's a problem? Well, here it's a problem. Here it seems that everything's going wrong right now, and Microsoft isn't really answering any questions of anyone. It kind of said, oh, well, yeah, we know that there's this problem, with the local security authority and blah, blah. But, you can ignore it because it's not a problem. It still works. And yet, so there's no fix that they're sending in. And there's that they add over it. It's like, come on, guys, what the hell are you doing? Who's in charge of this? It's nuts, especially if you want to make people a little nervous. I say it all the time, the antivirus isn't that important, but still, you want to have that little green check mark and you want it to look good. And I don't know what Microsoft is doing, but if you want to put people nervous, well, that's great. You've just done it. So, of course, a lot of people are thanking me for my fix, which fixes the problem and, puts your security app working again. But come on, stop messing around, guys. You need to really fix this, and you need to have things running right. You can't, there's like too many different teams that are doing stuff, and each are breaking something. In the end, it doesn't work. You gotta centralize something, and you gotta make things work better. So that was my little rant on Microsoft right now. That doesn't seem to know where it's actually going with especially this problem that a lot of people have been seeing in the Windows Security app. But don't worry, you're still protected, even when it says that something's wrong. It's apparently a false error message. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.